Okay, look at the question ASCII alphabet file for starting. We are in the question 4. Make a backup copy of this file as answer ASCII alphabet. Question ASCII alphabet. Question ASCII alphabet is here. Let me save as this one as a answer ASCII alphabet. Okay, then come back here. You should write your answer in this answer ASCII alphabet. Write a Python code that output ASCII characters for English alphabet, both for lower and uppercase characters. Your code should output total of 50, 26 uppercase to 26 lowercase characters. You can use standard Python or character functions. Okay, let's see what does it says. Okay, it seems that for bigger R we have this 65 and Z for 90. We need to create a table for this one. Okay, and your code should output total of 60, 26 uppercase and 26 lowercase characters. What should we do? We should do something like this one. Okay, for ASCII in range. Okay, I can start with this ordinal instead of given 65, and where I will go with Z but +1 and print. Okay, here this ASCII is my number, ASCII number, this is the ASCII. Okay, maybe I should write ASCII number also. Number. And here I should ASCII char. And what is it? How can I find this ASCII char with this character? Okay, and I should say ASCII char as again ASCII char. Okay, let's run this one. But it should be F string, not this way. Then, okay, for 90, I have this value, but not 65. I should always get this ASCII number as a value. Then, what will I get? Okay, for 90, I am getting this set. And for the Z values, I can also do this one with A and this Z lowercase, and here if you look at this values, I am getting this 65. Since the question says nothing about to output, something like doing a this for loop and getting these values is good enough.